$2,500 for a basic hotel booking website, $5,000 for something more professional. And that's before adding any actual booking features. These were the quotes I got last month when I was looking for someone to build a booking website for my small hotel. The developers kept telling me, well, you need a room availability system, secure payment processing, automated email notifications, and with each feature, the price just kept on climbing. One agency even quoted me for $4,000 for a complete solution. I spent weeks researching different options. DIY website builders are fantastic these days. They offer beautiful templates and powerful features. The only issue? I simply didn't have the time to learn the new platform while running my hotel. Custom development was way too expensive, and those affordable monthly subscription services ended up costing even more in the long run. Then, through a random conversation at a local business meetup, I heard about something that sounded almost too good to be true. A platform called WAcademy that connects hotel owners with student developers who build complete booking websites for free. My first reaction was pure skepticism. A free hotel booking website built by a student? But the business owner who told me about it showed me his site right there on his phone. Full booking system, real-time availability, payment processing, everything I had been quoted thousands for. What really caught my attention was their approach to project management. They assigned me a dedicated project manager, Sarah, who became my main point of contact. She handled everything from understanding my requirements to coordinating with the development team. The whole process was structured incredibly. Sarah helped me outline exactly what I needed, then matched me with the student who was actually studying both web development and hospitality management. Having someone who understood both the technical side and the hotel industry made a huge difference. Together, we built everything I wanted. A clean, professional design that showcased our rooms, an intuitive booking system, automated confirmation emails, even a special rate calculator for extended stays. Every feature was reviewed by both Sarah and an experienced developer before going live, so I knew everything would work perfectly. The site worked beautifully on mobile too, which was crucial since most of our bookings come from phones. Sarah made sure everything was tested thoroughly on different devices before launch. Sure, I had to pay for basic stuff like hosting and domain name. That's just part of having a website. But instead of paying thousands upfront or getting locked into expensive monthly subscriptions, I got a complete custom-looking website which actually does everything I need. The whole process took about 4 weeks, with regular check-ins and updates from Sarah. She kept everything on track and made sure I was happy with each element before moving forward. And now, our direct bookings have gone through the roof because guests can instantly book right on our website. I'm sharing this because I know there are other hotel owners out there pulling their hair out over website quotes. Check out WAcademy's website. I'll leave the link in the description. They have this whole portfolio of hotel booking websites their students have built. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more tips on growing your hospitality business. See you next time.